Hi friends, welcome. So this week tutorial I'll be showing you how I made this acrylic photo frame. Yes, this is a 24 by 36 photo frame and I'll be showing you the step by step on how I was able to make this frame. So the first step, we have to laminate our photo. After we have printed our photo, we have to laminate it. Like I did a video one time on the reason why we laminate it. It makes the work very shine. It also protects it against water, against spillage, against dirty, so that dirty will not spoil the image. You can see the way I'm laminating it. You just have to put your sticker on top of it and roll it over. This is the first step. Once we are done with that step, the next step is to clean our board, ensure that there is no dirt on it, ensure that the thing is clean from all dirt. Then you place the photo on it to ensure that it's the right size. Then you turn the back of it because it is the back that will be gumming to the board. The next thing is for you to apply your gum. Look at the way I'm doing it. So easy and so simple. And for those of you that found our video very helpful, please smash the subscribe button. Help our channel grow so that when we post most of all this content, other people can also see it. It can also reach other people, and I believe so many of you are learning one or two from all these tutorials. So let other persons also see it. Click on the subscribe button, click on the comment section, and if there's any point at which you don't understand, you can leave your comments, leave your questions, and I will do well to answer them. I will make sure I clarify anywhere that you are having issues. And for those of you who are just in our video, we come here every week to show you one or two things about printing. So with this our tutorial, you can be able to start a business with this, and I believe you can also learn one or two. Please do well to smash the subscribe button, do well to smash the like button. Then after we've gone both sides, we have applied both gum on the side. I normally like to put this cloth. The reason why, because I normally put my photo on top of the cloth. It will make it not stick to the board. It will allow me to align my photo with the board to ensure that my photo is straight. Yes, if I should put the photo directly on the board, it will stick and I might not be able to pull it off when I want to do the final gumming. So I'll first of all put a piece of cloth on top of the board, then I'll put my photo printout on top so I can be able to get the alignment to ensure that the bottom, the top, the sideways, everywhere are both aligned. Then I will do one part of it, and the next step is for me to remove the cloth that I put underneath it. You can see it is because of this cloth, that's why the printouts didn't stick to the board. Then I'll start pushing it gradually. Look at the way I'm doing it. Watch and learn. Ensure you press it very hard so that it will be firm on the board. If you don't press it very well, some side will be strong and while some side will not stick well to the board. Then you have to trim the excesses. These are the excess part of the photo. You have to trim them off so that we can have a smooth and a beautiful edges. So look at the way I'm trimming it. I'm taking all the excess printouts off so that we can have a smooth edge. And if you are looking for where to get some of these materials, I do sell them. You can chat me up, you can send us a DM, you can drop a message for us on our WhatsApp. If you want to get some of all these materials, if you want to buy them, we do make sales, we do deliver, and we can deliver to wherever destination that you are in Nigeria. Now the next step is for us to fix our edge tape. We have to fix our edge tape so that the edge will be beautiful, to be adorable, so that the edge will not be exposed, it will not be open. So what we need to do, we need to apply gum on both our boards, the edge of our board, and also on the edge tape. You see the way I'm doing it. I'm applying the gum at the edge of the board. I will do it round the four corner, the four sides, and I will also apply gum at the edge tape too. And after applying them, I will allow it wait for a little, stay a little while so that the gum can stick very well. You can see I'm cleaning off the excess parts that refuse to go. This is the stage at which I'm applying gum at the edge tape too. So after applying it, you allow it stay for some while before you place it on the board. You see the way I'm applying it, just watch and learn. It's as simple as this. So you too that want to take framing as a business, you can also learn from these tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Now I'm about to fix the edge tape on the frame. Look at the way I'm fixing it. You have to be very careful so that the job will be very neat and beautiful. You'll be doing it gradually. Ensure you are doing it one after the other, step by step. Don't be in a rush, don't be in a haste. Now we are done with the edge tape fixing. The next step is that we are going to be fixing our hook, what we are going to be using to hook the frame on the wall. So since it's a big frame, I'm going to be putting two hooks, one at the left and one at the right hand side, to enable the frame stick well to the wall. So I'll be fixing two hooks because putting just one hook, it will be too small for the frame. It's a big frame, a 24 by 36 size frame, so we need to put two hooks so it can be firm on the wall. It won't fall off when hanged on the wall. You can see these are the hook. I'm nailing it down to the board. You see the way I'm doing it. It's as simple as this. Alright friends, now we are done. As you can see, we are done with this, the finished work. Please like, subscribe to our channel. If you've not subscribed, please like. Till I get to see you this weekend, I'll be uploading a new video. Love you, and I always love you. Bye.